Let's discuss about replicaSet, a little bit of theory, and then how to deploy it, and also the problems associated with deploying a fully functional replicaSet. So, if you go to this MongoDB's official documentation, then we see replicaSet is nothing but a redundancy. Okay, so the reason why we have a replicaSet or replication nodes is that in case one machine goes down, then the data can be fetched from other redundant replication nodes. Okay, so in this case, for example, we have three nodes. Okay, so in the primary node, these nodes are nothing but MongoDB instances running on different machines or same machines with different ports. So in case one of the nodes uh, breaks down because of the actual breaking down of the machine, then we can fetch the data from the remaining redundant nodes. Okay, so that is the purpose. Also, in advanced MongoDB, you get to know that in order to have a real-time data adaptation, you have to use the stream functions, and that needs replication. Okay, so this is beyond the scope of this video. So let's assume that you have had a basic idea about this replication. In that replica set configuration, you see in case the primary primary node goes down, that secondary becomes primary automatically, and the continuous data fetching goes on. Okay, so that is all about the replication theory. You can read in details about this in this page. I'll link the links. Okay, and to do all these things, you need to have following things installed. First, the MongoDB community server. So just go in this link and download this community server. For Windows, you use this MSI package and just download it. And all you need to do is, after downloading this server, you have to add the path of the bin folder of this server to your system environment. And similarly, you have to install the mongosh shell as well. After installing both of them, uh, you have to add the paths. Okay, so for that you have to go to the files, go to mongodb server bin, and copy this link, paste it in system environment variable path. Okay, so go there, edit variables, then go to path, paste it here. Similarly for mongo shells, so mongo shell doesn't install it somewhere, rather it gives you a downloaded complete file. Okay, so you can keep the file anywhere you want. For example, in my case, I have kept it in C outside, in the outside folder only. So you just go in and copy this link and paste it in the system variable. That's it. Now, in order to start a replica set, first you create a folder where you want to actually store the data. So I'll store it here, but inside that I'll create two more folder, data 1 and data 2, for storing data of two different nodes. Okay. So we'll have a replica set with two different nodes, one primary and one secondary node. You can have as many secondary nodes or tertiary nodes as you want. So for that case, let's go to command prompt, and first you have to set up the replica set server. For that, you type mongodb port, the port in which actually I am running this in the same machine only. That's why I'll only mention the port, not the IP. IP will be by default to localhost because it's in the local machine. But in case you deploy it in actual server, you have to add one more parameter, bind IP, and I add the IP of the machine. So, okay. But in our case, I'll just showing you in this machine and a local machine, and I'm using port 27330 for the primary. Okay, you have to give a replica set name. Uh, let's give it rs31, and then you have to give the dbptah. So I'll just copy this link, sorry, URL, and sorry. So this is done. Okay, so there's some error. Let's see what's the error. Okay, actually I have not given to dash. Now that's again there is some error. MongoDB port db path is there. I think this port is already being in use, so let's have 2740, and also this replica. Okay, it should be replica. Now it should work. Copy it so that I can use it directly in my second line node as well, right? And I'll have 41. Okay. You have to give the replSet name same because they are part of the same replication. So both the servers are running, both the nodes. So I'll just open one more. So till now we have only set up the replicaSet server, but we have not actually added replication with each other. So for that I'll have to connect to mongosh, okay, and I'll have to go to any one of the instances. Okay, so let's go to connect to 340. Sorry, okay, I have connected to it. Now initiate the replica set. So I've initiated it. You can see that I have added primary to this 2740. Now you just add the other node as secondary. For that you have to use localhost /27 and for that's it. Your replica set is completed. Sorry, MongoDB compass, and I'll show you how to connect to a replica set server. Okay. Go to a new connection and you have to do command localhost 2741 slash this. Now we have successfully connected. So that's it. Now in this all this scenario you may face some problems. First, if you want during connection, okay, if you have set up everything right during connection, you may face that you are not able to, after giving all these parameters correct, you may get an error that the server has timed out. So this has happened in case you are not actually uh, setting the replica set. That is the primary and secondary replica sets are not interconnected. So you must in that case you all you need to check is whether your servers are running, these nodes are running or not. And also you have to check in going into mongosh shell, uh, any of the port like 2740 2741 whatever is running, and checking rs.status to check whether any replica set is active or not. Okay, you follow the flow as mentioned in the video, then you will not face any problem, I guess. But obviously I have faced some problems. First, I have faced the problem not in which I have not connected the parts of the MongoDB is into the system variables. For that, I have got some error. Second, I have got error like in most of the videos you will see they're using Mongo command rather than Mongo shell. So actually, Mongo command is deprecated. So you have to use mongosh command. Then some of the problem will be resolved. Second, after starting the replica set, if you do not add, okay, if you do not initiate and add the nodes uh, with each other, then obviously we are going to get error in connecting to the MongoDB replica set server. Okay, so if you have any further query or problem that you may, obviously reach out to me and write to my email ID, or also you can write in the comment. I'll definitely try to respond.